Right now, someone in your industry is winning work that should be yours. Not because they're better. Honestly, they're usually not. They've just bothered to be seen. And that's the whole edge. It's the difference between a business that hits its potential, one that just does all right. And it drives me up the wall, this bit, because it's the best people I know who are nearly always the quietest, brilliant at the job, but almost invisible everywhere else. Meanwhile, the loud one with half the talent is getting the calls. Same problem to solve, same buyer. They just got there first by being findable, and visible wins. I don't love it either, but it does. I tell you where I went wrong, because I did the exact same thing. For years, I ran on referrals. I loved it. Cheapest, warmest leads there are. Someone vouches for you, half the sale's done. And they nearly finished me off because a referral only reaches people who already know you. Your whole reputation sat in about 40 heads. One of them retires or moves on or just forgets to mention you in a meeting, and a big chunk of your pipeline walks out the door and you won't even hear it go. And the part that actually winds me up a bit here is there are buyers out there right now who need exactly what you do. One of them might have went looking last week, typed the problem into Google or LinkedIn, and they picked somebody who wasn't you because you weren't in the room to be picked. And that deal happened, you'll just never know it did. And that is the cost of being silent, the worst kind. Here's what I did, and I'll be straight, none of it was a master plan. My dad started a print business in a garden shed in about 1970. In Watford, the biggest print town in the country back then, the second biggest in Europe. I grew up in it, sweeping floors, doing deliveries, packing boxes, ended up running the place. And then I built a lead gen agency, different game, same graft, and it worked. But the pandemic hit and it didn't work anymore. Clients vanished. I wound it down. 50 years old, decent track record, basically back to square one, which it's not fun. So I started writing on LinkedIn every day. And look, I'll be honest, I thought LinkedIn was for show-offs, people posting their 5 a.m. cold plunge, telling how blessed they are. I still think half it is exactly that. But I was dead wrong about the other half. Because I just started telling the truth, the wins, the cock-ups, what I'd actually learned. And people I'd never met started messaging me. Not great posts, proper conversations. And then it led to actual work. Clients who'd never in a million years have got referred to me found me because for once I was there to be found. I wasn't pitching every one of them. Now, I know you're not thinking because everyone who's been at this a while says it to me, I'm not turning into an influencer. Good. Don't. I'm not asking you to. Nobody needs you doing a little dance or telling them what you have for breakfast. And does that stuff work? Well, for some 28-year-old flogging a course, maybe, probably not for you, not for me. You're not selling hustle, you're selling judgment. This isn't look at me, it's look at this. You're not performing, you're just saying out loud what's been going on in your head for years, decades. You've earned the opinion a long time ago. You're just finally letting people hear it. Now, this is the part when most people get a bit tense because they hear the be visible and they picture the performance, talking to a camera, trying to be slick, reading off a script like a bit of an idiot, and they hate it. And fair enough, most people do, I do. But I'm doing it right now and it still feels a bit odd. But that performing bit, that's not where you're any good. You're not at your best staring down a lens. You're at your best in a natural conversation, sat across from someone who asks you a sharp question and years of knowing your stuff just falls out of you. No script, no performance, just you talking like you do every single day. And that's the version of you your buyers need to see. And it's the easy version. So that's what I end up building. It's called TTWIK. Tell them what you know. It's simple. We have one proper conversation, a recorded one, you and me. You don't write anything. You don't perform anything. You just turn up and talk. Then I take that single conversation and I turn it into a month of content for LinkedIn, YouTube, the lot. Short clips that capture every single story, each lesson, key quotes, honest, unscripted, no prep, just a natural conversation. You talk once, you show up everywhere, your buyer's already looking. The posting, the editing, the showing up day after day, that's my job, not yours. Your job's the easy bit, the bit you've been brilliant at for years. Now you get to share the journey, the lessons, the experiences, the good, the bad, the ugly, the things that resonate with people as it's natural and authentic. So if you're sick of being the best kept secret in your industry, that's a conversation to have. Drop me a message on LinkedIn or the links below and we'll set one up. No pitch, just a proper chat about what this could look like for you. Hope to talk to you soon.